Well, this is sad because I lost my internet connection, and what happened was it actually the stream actually stopped, and after the Streamlab connected, I don't know why it said it connected, but I was streaming to nowhere. I was actually streaming, but it wasn't connected to YouTube. And I was just streaming for hours to nobody. And after I end stream, it's not there. It's not on YouTube, and I don't know if it's anywhere. That's really sad. But what I was doing for this whole hour and probably hour and a half or something was I was trying to implement the filters as I was discussing. Probably it's on the previous live video, but the whole fun part was not there. So that's really sad. But what I want to do with this video is I want to go over what I did and see if I can explain what happened. So what happened is I started using two of those components. I can show you on package.json here. So the text input, I actually implemented search with that, and I actually already pushed it to GitHub. And the second thing I added was this select input, inc select input. That was for select filter. So we have implemented two filters, search and genre, and they're using those text field and select field. So what we did is we added this form kind of thing. It's not form, but it's just using those two inputs and updating the state in this component. And in this box, as a filter box, we have two boxes again. With one is search. Search is using this text input with value and onChange property, which is setting that query. So as you type, the query will be updated, and depending on that, we have this filter here. Says get filtered movies, which will just use that query and then filter out our movie array by its title. So it just looks if the query matches the title and returns it. And that's filtering the list of the movies. So now if you see there, I can type FA and it's filtering the list out. So that's what it's doing. And the filter for genres is also doing similar thing. So if you look at this part here, we have this genre select input, and genre select input has some items. This is just static list of genres that's defined here. So it has like crime, drama, comedy, thriller, fantasy, and it just lists that select those items as select. And there's this handler for onSelect, and onSelect is just setting our genre state using set genre here. And it's just using the label because we are not using machine readable values for genres, so we're just using that. The value part is not even used, but it's there for future. So now it's setting these genres, and how that's filtering is we're going to the same get filtered movies, and it's adding this and if genre is set, give me only those movies which has genres, and one of them is the genre we have right now. So that's filtering the movies by genre, and it's combining with the search text. So if you're using both filter, you will be narrowing it down by genre plus the search term. And we're just ignoring this filter if genre is not even set. So initially genre is just empty, so we don't want to filter the movies by empty genres or something like that. So this one is just ignoring the whole part here. So that's how the filter and search and filter is working right now. We just got rid of the direct access to movies. We replaced it by get filtered movies, which is doing the filtering part up there. And rest of the application is working the same way, but we have added few shortcuts here to show filters. We add a filter, show filter state, and we're setting it to true when the user presses Control and F, which is this Control F combination. So Control F will set that to true, and you will see the filter, and escape will hide the filter if it is shown. So if the filter was already shown and you press escape, the filter will be hidden, right? And rest hasn't changed much, but we added this show filter. If show filter is not true, then only you're able to navigate through that movie list. Before it was just working everywhere. So now if the filter is enabled, you're not able to navigate through the movies because you'll be navigating through this genre list, right? So that's why I added this. So now the final look at the application will look something like this. If I run npm start, it will load the UI just like before. There's no filters, and navigation work just fine, exactly like how it used to do. And Control F will now trigger filters. So you have filters there. You have search input where you can search for FA. So it filtered the whole list by FA, and now you have 2 movies left. You can use genre by selecting one of them. I can select comedy, and you see Dumb and Dumber. I can select thriller. I can select crime, and now I have these 4 movies for crime. And at the same time, I can just search for FA, and it's filtering even that 4 movies. And we have this combination of search and genre. So that's all I did in like an hour or more than that. I was stuck in few stuffs and I was kind of frustrated. Good that you are not seeing all that. But I showed you how the things have worked out, and probably that's enough. That's good enough for you. So that was it. If you're there's no viewer, so I know nobody's watching right now, but if you're watching this in future and you like it, please press the thumbs up button. And if you like this kind of videos and you want to explore with me regarding these programming stuffs, you can subscribe. Please consider doing that, and that would be really appreciated. And I'll see you in next video. So till then, bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.